Hi everyone, welcome to today's session on edge computing, TCS offerings in the area of edge computing. My name is Lekha. I lead the edge computing practice and cognitive business operations from Tata Consultancy Services. Today I'll touch upon TCS offerings in the area of edge computing, some joint solutions that we have with HP in Edge, and we'll wrap up with the demo. TCS Cognex is an AI-driven human-machine collaboration suite powered by a machine-first delivery model. So it's basically an ecosystem of previous solutions for accelerating digital transformation. These solutions are built by TCS as well as our partners like HP. It's basically a collection of assets across vertical industries, business functions, technologies that are multi-layered, multi-dimensional, like advanced analytics, AI, machine learning, embedded networking. Okay, so this set of there are accelerators, there are benchmarks, maturity models. So this is a collection of assets which has been built based on our vast experience with other customers, and it helps us to create a kind of a configurable enterprise for other customers. So TCS Edge Solutions or TCS Edge Computing offerings helps us to accelerate the time to market to implement edge computing solutions for customers. So our offerings span advisory, expert advisory solution services, the design, build, manage services, as well as verticalized, industrialized solutions that are built over using edge computing. We have Converge Edge, which touches upon the connectivity aspect. So connectivity from the edge to the cloud, the private 5G, the IoT, sensorization, all that is a part of the Converge Edge offering that we have. Cognitive Edge is about running analytical models, optimizing the analytical models and running them at the edge of the network. We have PaaS Edge or the Edge platform for end-to-end orchestration and management of the entire edge to cloud piece. And of course, it's SecOps, which is the integrated command center to provide an end-to-end visibility across the various edge layers, the applications, the networking, the security from a centralized location. We also have verticalized solutions built on the edge for multiple industries like smart manufacturing, worker safety, smart retail, okay, branch in a box. We are also jointly work with HP on solutions in the area of HP Aruba in smart stores, retail solutions using HP Edgeline. So as per analyst reports also, in the next couple of years, more than 50% of the processing is going to move outside the cloud or a centralized data center and move to the edge. Okay, so edge is a very diverse space. You see very small devices, IoT devices, sensors, low-end servers, high-end servers. So it's a very diverse marketplace. Plus, the edge is very distributed in multiple geographic disparate sites. Okay, so to be able to reach that, it is very difficult to have a manual presence there to control the various edge locations. So it's very important to have a kind of a centralized management plane through which you can have a single-click provisioning across the multiple edge locations, irrespective of the kind of technology, the containers, the virtualization. Okay, whatever be the hardware that is involved, whatever virtualization is involved, you should be able to get a visibility across the various edge locations as well as manage the various edge locations. So there needs to be an edge sites management solution, which TCS can also enable using our TCS Edge Management platform. Here is a case study that we have in the area of smart manufacturing. Here we have for an automotive seat manufacturing company, TCS work with the customers to select the right edge hardware to be placed at the remote plants and to implement machine vision aided operations at the edge. So we develop the deep learning models which could be deployed at the plant itself so that we could detect any defects in the product within seconds. And by the time the product reaches the end of the assembly line, the operator could get an information of whether it's a good product or a bad product, and the product could be removed from the assembly line if it's a bad product. So it helped the customer to get a real-time visibility into the manufacturing process as well as enable autonomous operations at the plant using machine vision aided operations. So this is one of the TCS Edge solution that we will cover in the demo. As we said, that the Edge is a very diverse space. It's going to it's going to be distributed between a private edge, an on-premise edge, a telco edge, 5G edge. So it could be anywhere. We should be having a centralized management of the various edge locations, and we should be able to get a centralized visibility using a command center. So if you want to do the patching of the various edge servers or edge infrastructure, you want to deploy containers across the various edge locations, orchestration of containers, deployment of the machine learning models, all that can be done using this edge platform that we have. And it's an integrated platform to enable customers in the discovery, the build, deployment, and management of the various edge sites, wherever it might be. So we will now quickly jump into the demo. So this is the TCS Edge Management Platform. What we have done is that here we have registered this platform to integrate with the HP Edgeline 4000 server. So when a user, the user is registering into this application now, and they will register. So that you have many options like the build and deploy, manage, and some sample industry vertical reference architectures. So build and deploy stands to when you want to build and deploy some applications or containers to the edge. Those menus are part of the build and deploy. Manage and monitor is about the ongoing management, the patching, the firmware updates, and getting the command center is part of the manage and monitor menu. And there are reference solutions for multiple industry verticals, which customers can, you can refer and start off with. So we'll first start off with the build and deploy, where we are actually registering the HP Edgeline server, with the edge management application. So this is what, and once we register an Edgeline server, we will then be able to manage it centrally and do any kind of application deployment, patching, everything as if it were in the same network. So here we are registering the Edgeline server with the Edge Management platform, and then we are deploying a sample application onto the Edgeline server. So this sample application here is a web application, but it can be anything. It can be a container, it can be a machine learning model. So anything that you want to deploy to the edge can be done like this. So we can also deploy to multiple edge servers in a single this. Here we are showing the state of the deployment, whether it's successful or in progress. So there's a dashboard to see the status of the deployment of the application. So the application has been deployed. And now we'll come to the patching. Okay, so when you have these multiple infrastructure which are having different operating systems, you should be able to do a patching of these servers also remotely. So that is what is handled in the patching, and we can also do an offline. So in many cases, the edge servers cannot be connected to the internet, so you need to have a mechanism to do offline patching. Okay, so that's also covered in this, as well as rollback. So after patching, if you feel that there is some issues with it, you can do a kind of rollback. So what we are doing here is that we are connecting to that Edgeline server, discovering the patches that need to be deployed to it. We can select the patch, and we can deploy the relevant patch. So once we deploy from here, this is basically from the central pane. It is deploying to the edge server. And it can, once the patch, so you can see the status of the patching. And if at all there is some issue with the patching and you want to do a kind of a rollback, you also have an option by which you can select and roll back the patch to the previous working version. All these can also be automated. You can also select multiple edge servers as well and do these operations. So here, these are a few brief features that we are showing in this. There are more features in this platform, such as orchestration of containers, dashboarding, having a centralized integrated dashboard to see the various applications and the containers and the infrastructure health. Okay, so to know more about these joint solutions that we have between TCS and HP, please visit our virtual booth. Thank you for giving us this opportunity.